now move on and talk about what's happening as far as the Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. Viewers, the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 has triggered a political as well as a legal storm, with the opposition parties and several Muslim organizations refusing to back down. They allege that the bill interferes with religious matters and discriminates against the Muslims. The Congress and AIMIM have already taken the fight to the Supreme Court, challenging the constitutional validity of the legislation. The bill passed by both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha has been described by Congress MP Mohammad Javed as manifestly arbitrary and a law that dilutes protections to Waqf boards and the properties they manage.
पार्लियामेंट में हमने और जितने भी कांग्रेस के तरफ से थे या अपोजिशन के तरफ से थे, सबने कहा ये अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है और ये रिलीजियस बॉडी है। जिस तरह आप गैर मुस्लिम्स में हिंदू भाई बहन हो या सिख भाई बहन हो, बुद्धिस्ट हो, जैन हो, सबको आज़ादी दे रहे हैं, तो हमारा आज़ादी कैसे छीन सकते हैं? तो ये वायलेशन कैसे आप कर सकते हैं? आपके पास नंबर्स है तो इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी पास करा लें, गैर कानूनी काम कर लें और हम लोग चैलेंज भी ना करें। तो हम लोग ने चैलेंज किया है और हमें उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस पे चिंतन करेगी।
अभी लोकसभा और राज्यसभा से पारित हुआ है, अभी इसे गुजरना है राष्ट्रपति के कंसेंट पे, उसके बाद लीगल बैटल से गुजरना है। ये सब हो जाने दें, हमें वही करना है जो संवैधानिक हो। मोदी जी की तरह, बीजेपी की तरह हम कोई असंवैधानिक कदम नहीं उठाएंगे। हम मानते हैं कि मौजूदा जो पारित हुआ है लोकसभा राज्य से, ये अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है। तो हम कोई असंवैधानिक कार्य न करेंगे और न चाहेंगे देश में।
Amanatullah Khan, Aam Aadmi Party MLA and chairman of Delhi Waqf Board, has also moved the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. In his petition, Amanatullah Khan says the bill curtails the religious and cultural autonomy of Muslims, enables arbitrary executive interference and undermines the rights of minorities to manage their religious and charitable institutions. In fact, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has said that it will take the fight against the black law that threatens the community's rights to the streets, courts, as well as the President of India. They have in fact sought time from President Draupadi Murmu to raise their grievances. Remember, for the bill to become a law, it needs presidential assent. BJP, however, is calling all this activism selective.
मैं कांग्रेस से सवाल करना चाहता हूं, जब कश्मीरी पंडितों को यहां से भगाया गया, जब कश्मीरी पंडितों की जमीनों पर कब्जा किया, उनकी मंदिर की जमीनें तक खाई गई, तब आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट में क्यों नहीं गए? आप पावर में थे क्या? उस वक्त आप बात नहीं कर सकते? आप पावर में थे, आप रुका सकते हैं। आज आप वक्फ की बिल पे कह रहे कि हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, ये आपकी नाकामी दर्शाती है। आप कश्मीरी पंडितों को इंसाफ नहीं दिला सकते, आप मुसलमानों को क्या इंसाफ दिला सकते हैं?
And we have some more updates coming in at this point in time. Senior Biju Janata Dal leader and former Minister Pratap Jaina has written to party President Naveen Patnaik expressing some serious concerns over Rajya Sabha MP Sasmit Patra's decision to vote in favor of the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Listen in to what Sasmit Patra, the BJD MP, has to say.
The party has decided that the MPs were to vote as per their conscience and left it to the honourable MPs to decide. I haven't discussed with the other MPs so far. As far as I'm concerned, I had supported the bill. So I think other MPs, what they have done, whether they abstained, they walked out, or they have supported or opposed, that I can't say in totality.
Let's now go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the phone line for more on this big story. Sabyasachi, a storm seems to be brewing within the BJD over this crucial vote by Rajya Sabha MP Sasmit Patra in favour of the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025.
Well, that's right. See, in the letter which has been written by senior BJD leader and former Minister Pratap Jaina asserted that Sasmit Patra's vote contradicted the party's official stand on the bill and has called for appropriate disciplinary action. And Pratap Jaina also emphasized that such deviation from the party line without proper authorization sets a damaging precedent and could confuse the party members and supporters alike. Now, this particular development adds a fresh twist to the ongoing political storm triggered by the BJP's divide approach on the Waqf bill, which has drawn sharp criticism from opposition, particularly the Congress party. So clearly, the BJP, which has been from day one opposing, and the day before the Waqf bill was set to be tabled both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the BJP leaders, in fact, Sasmit Patra himself had been stating that the party stand is to oppose the Waqf bill, but during the when the bill was scheduled to be tabled in Rajya Sabha, he put out a post in social media X stating that he leaves it to the members of the Biju Janata Dal and their understanding of the bill, and the party has not issued a 3-line whip. And as questions swirl over the internal coordination and the absence of a formal whip, pressure is clearly mounting within the BJP to clarify its position and take corrective steps.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.